Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm cooking up some goat chops. So I've got these beautiful plump goat chops, and I'm a big fan of goat. These are from Cabrito, James Wetlaw. He's a bit of a legend in goat circles and he's a great guy. I'm going to be hitting these up with a bit of Za'ataar, which is a nice sort of spice mix. There you go, it's great. It's got thyme, it's got coriander in, it's got sesame in, and it's gonna go great on these goat chops. So look at these, beautiful little goat chops. Nice bit of fat on the outside, lovely, lovely colour. These are gonna need a high heat, so I've got the grill all fired up ready. Sprinkle those over, nice fragrant mix, lovely. People need to try cooking more goat. It's a wonderful product. It's a byproduct of the goat dairy industry, so it's really good sustainability and it tastes wonderful and it's great on the grill. Goat and fire go really well together, so let's get this on the grill. Okay, so these are hot off the grill. They came up to about 60, 65, so you should be just pink on the inside. Nice and crisped up fat on the outside. I'm looking forward to having a taste of these. Love goat. Let's see how we've done. There you go, still nice and a little bit pink on the inside. Lovely. Cut a few little slices. Let's have a taste. That's delicious. The Za'ataar works really well on these. Nice and tasty, the fat's crisped up lovely, lovely and juicy still. They got a nice rich flavour, a bit richer I think than lamb, and really tasty and works so well on the fire. I'm really happy with these. I'm going to get stuck into these and enjoy them. Make sure you give goat a try. It's a brilliant meat and a lot more people need to try it. Catch my friend James, he's at Cabrito on a lot of social media and he's a brilliant guy. Make sure to talk to him about goat and where you can get it from. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and remember, as always, that box down there, please smash it, subscribe to my channel, like and comment and let me know you like what I'm doing. Cheers.